morning, fourth graders. I am going to use these 2 pages today because I kind of want to get an understanding of if you can do it on your own or not, because this is all on the remembering side, okay? So I'm not going to give a lot of clues on this page because you have this page today, and then you also have a fluency check on page 420 in your math workbook. So this page is it's like a soft-sided workbook for chapter 8, guys. So look for that and then go to page 206. But the first part is a line plot. Okay, so you just need to answer the questions by looking at the line plot. Okay, and then down below is going to be some angles, just like the ones we've done. Okay, but you need to figure out what the missing angle is. Okay. And look at the information that they give you, because they're telling you what the whole thing is on both of them. Okay, you can do this on your own. And then I want you to do stretch your thinking as extra credit. Okay, let's see who does that. I think somebody can easily get that one right. And then I'm just going to show you what the fluency check looks like. And then you guys are going to be a little more on your own today. All right, we are doing all of the fluency check today. Okay, this is going to be another thing that I need to really grade and check just to make sure that you're getting it at the end of the year here. Okay, so be careful. Please watch your sign, either add or subtract. And I still do see people adding when they're supposed to subtract and subtracting when they're supposed to add. So please be careful, because I think the math itself is not that hard, but you need to pick the right sign, right? All right, so good luck, guys, and it's a short video today.